Welcome to Atlassian's Jira Align overview. Jira Align is a platform that empowers all teams, regardless if you are an executive team or a software development team. It ensures that your work is visible and connected for increased context and alignment. It makes all work visible. The first pitfall in innovation is the lack of transparency. So keeping work open and making it visible means it's trackable, measurable, and collaborative. Jira Align, as its name indicates, ensures that work is aligned with strategy. This platform allows organizations to connect layers of scale, visible from the top down, from strategy to execution. People, work, and time all have separate native hierarchies and objects. They cut across the organization, as showcased in this view. From a platform perspective, Jira Align is a cloud solution, accessible with a standard web browser. Users navigate using a combination of header and left menu navigation, organized by organization level and role, from strategy down to the team level. A user can leverage context filtering to answer questions like, "What's the status of my goal or feature?" or "What is being planned for the next quarter?" For executives, view objectives or goals at different levels of scale. Track progress across multiple organizational entities that help accomplish these goals. View objective statuses to know what is on track, at risk, or off track. Every row provides clarity as to when things will be worked on and who is accountable for their completion. Transform how you look at objectives and goals, as it's more than just tracking work progress from Jira. Ask yourself, are you moving the needle relative to the commitments you made? Or are you doing a lot of work and spending a lot of money but not seeing the outcomes you expected? Create and prioritize work for current and future time periods and manage the backlog directly in both a list view and a board view. Prioritize based on t-shirt size, weeks, points, weighted shortest job first, or value. As part of the planning process, after work is prioritized, bring it into the forecast to see the work relative to time and teams. Create a capacity plan by adjusting buffer and capacity percentage to arrive at an available capacity. It is a forcing function for tough conversations about what can be accomplished, what needs to be pushed out or pulled in, and how teams are being allocated. Next, the creation and refinement of backlogs automatically generate roadmaps, which can be modified to meet current or future requirements. Once a roadmap has been defined, teams plan together on the digital program board, enabling the planning and execution process for each quarter or planning interval. Next, dependency management is an important part of ensuring that there are no obstacles in the way of completing the committed work, by visualizing the live status of negotiated agreements between teams. Finally, all of the data captured from the bi-directional integration with Jira software and information entered directly into Jira Align. Rolls up to feed near real-time information displayed in several executive reports that are just a click away. Want to take advantage of Atlassian's value stream management solution? Pair Jira Align, Jira Enterprise, Enterprise Insights, and Atlassian Analytics to create custom reports and dashboards. No need for a third-party data visualization platform. Visualize value streams across teams, set up process flow automation, and align work against your strategic business objectives. Track investments, streamline operations, uncover roadblocks, and deliver continuous value. To summarize, Jira Align is a shared platform for enterprise transformation and scaled ways of working, which brings in data from team-level and third-party tools and provides the right information for greater visibility, alignment, collaboration, and measurement.